Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project Canteen Ordering System. And I have developed this project in Angular and Spring Boot. And database I'm using a MySQL server. I'm using Tomcat version 7. And for ID I'm using STS Spring Boot tool suits and Visual Studio Code. Right. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project. On the Spring Boot side, we are using JPA and Hibernate. On Angular side, we are using a lot of libraries, right? And this is a bootstrap theme. It's partial, it's not fully bootstrap. And we are using HTML5 and CSS3 here. Some of the components are using from HTML5 and CSS3. So these technology stacks we have used for developing this project Canteen Ordering System. So let's start with the functionality, go through what are the features available inside this project and what are the modules available, right? So the project title is Canteen Ordering System and it's a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular and MySQL. It has admin as well as customer login both. There are three types of interfaces available inside this project. The first one is for the customer, second one is for the admin login and third one is the admin dashboards. So I will demonstrate all of the interfaces here. Right. So once you run this project, you will get this home page. You can see this is a home page, and these are the categories. Right. These the categories are dynamic and it's coming from the database. Right. So these all categories. Right. So this is the home page. This is about page. It's a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is all categories. You can see there are six categories available here, and all categories are coming from the databases. Right. Once you click on the any category, you will be able to see all of the items which belongs to that category. You can search details from here also. Right? This is all category. This is all food items. You can see all of the food items here. So there are a lot of food items, means nine food items here. You can add more from the admin database, admin section. Right? If you want to search anything, just search. Click on search. You will be able to search it from here, right? If you want to see the details, just click on the details. You will be able to see the details, right? Here you can see the comment section also. If user pushed any comments, this is add to cart. Once you click on the add to cart, then it will ask your user ID and password, right? Without login, you will not be able to add item into the cart, right? This is all categories, all food items. These are the logins. So there are two types of login: admin and customer, right? So I will demonstrate you later. This is a registration page. Here, if you don't have user ID and password, you can create your own user ID and password after registering here. This is a contact. This is a contact us page, and this is a dynamic. If you fill this contact us page, then all of the details will be saved inside the database, and admin can see that. This is a feedback and it's a feedback about the website. You can fill, his customer can fill the feedback here, and once he click on the submit, then details will be saved in the database and admin can see that. Right. So now I am going to log in as a customer. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once customer login, then customer will get this dashboard. You can see this is the customer dashboard. Right. Here all the features are same. Right. The new things are My Cart and My Administration. Once you click on the My Cart, you will be able to see all of the items which you have added into the cart. These are my orders, right? Once you click on the My Orders, right, you will be able to see all of the orders which you have placed earlier, right? You can see there are a lot of order here, right? If you click on this arrow icon, you will be able to see the details of that order, means all of the order items which you have purchased earlier, right? This is my account section. From here, you can update your account details. Right now, I am going to order some of the foods. So this one, details. You can see the some of the comments are available here. Right, you can add your own comments also. You can post your comments, post your reviews here also, and it will be saved inside the database. Add into the cart. So you can see in your cart there is one items available. Right, all category. This is South Indian. I want to add details. Add to cart. So there are two items added into the cart. All food items, dal tadka, add to cart. So three items, right? So you have three items. But if you want to delete any cart items, just click on delete button. You can see that item has been deleted. Once you click on the checkout, Then it will ask your card details, right? This is a dummy page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is not a real-time payment gateway. You can enter any of the garbage details here, right? So card name, card type, expiry month, this 1 month, and total amount you are going to pay is 1100 rupees. Right. Once you click on the make payment, then you can see your order has been saved into the cart and your order ID is 294. Right. You can go on the my order section to see the 294 order details. Right. You can see this is the 294 order details. You can print your receipt here from here also. Right. So this is the customer flow. Right. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, the above menu has been changed, will be changed because this is a session driven menu. It's trending according to the session, right? So you can see the menu has been changed, right? Now, if you log in, then you will get the admin options, right? So now I'm going to log in as an admin. So this is the first interface. This is the second interface, right? So this is the admin login. If you log in as a admin, so user ID is admin and password is test. Once you log in as an admin, you will get this dashboard, right? So you can manage all of the details from here. This is a product management. You can see this is all are the products, right? You can add new food products. You can perform all of the CRUD application, create, read, update, delete operations from here. If you click on the edit, you can edit the details here. You can submit it. If you want to add new items, you can add new items from here. This category is totally dynamic, right? It's coming from this page, right? You can see these all are the categories. So this is the category. If you want to add new category, just click on the add new. You will be able to add new category from here. Right. If you want to delete any item, just click on the delete. That item will be deleted. This is all orders. You can see all orders here. This is the last order which has been placed by Amit Kumar. Right. You can see the details of that order. This is the customer management. You can see this is the customer management and this add new customer from here. You can add new customers. This is the contact us report. Right. All of the contact us which has been filled by customer will be displayed here. If you want to delete anything, just click the delete, it will be deleted. This is the feedback report and this is all of the feedbacks which have been submitted by the customers from the front end, right? And the logout. Once you click on the logout, then the session will be destroyed and you will be redacted to the login page. You can see you have redacted to the login page, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project Canteen Ordering System. As I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in Java Spring Boot and Angular and MySQL database. It has admin as well as customer login. So if you need any more enhancement in this project, if you need extra features in this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.